Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Merrill Edge, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.merrilledge.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will now see two fields for entering your credentials. In the first field, type in your Merrill Edge account number. Next, move to the second field and enter your password. Ensure that both entries are correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After entering your credentials, double-check your information for accuracy. When ready, click the Login button to access your account. You may be prompted to complete a security check, such as entering a code sent to your email or phone. Follow the instructions for any security measures that appear. Once completed, you will be redirected to your Merrill Edge account dashboard. Now you can access your investments, account information, and trading tools. If you encounter any issues, utilize the Help section for further assistance. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. You are now successfully logged into Merrill Edge and can manage your financial activities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.